I'll see you like it, you say.
Man also lage.
I'll see you like it.
Chala mukbang. First class. Kurila biscuit.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Video I saw yours.
Yes, sir.
Driving bike, then you some are playing carom board.
Yes. Pura church la chukira. Oh, YouTube pa sene bana ase tan sob.
Livingstone Foundation is hosting their annual picnic today.
Yeah. Department of Game Technology. Busti la scheme ba fun aine aje busti wala anke khela aise baat bhi lagyo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 6 a.m. now and then aji date tini ase kale tini na ase kale college picnic ase to it was preparation shuru hoise ja garmung so jan lunaise morning and here is Mr. Kato Jeremy Ken chasa banai khela ase na banai gisle man duk pa khela ase khai do to biscuit bhi khai do aya to kala biscuit wow
Behind the scenes, no mangya lagre the.
oh boy mangsu to na tatu ase. Hello everyone, once again good morning, and today is the D-Day college la picnic la din ase inya korne. Thank you all for 1000 subscribers. 1000 bhi power to 1.2 something. Keep on supporting for moto vlogging na olop din rukho kilo kilo mala bike olop thik nai. After that we say pura dhamaka off-roading every day. We've got here Boto is here and our college principal. Sir, say hi.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. And then there are all the others.
YouTube one video I saw yours.
Yes, sir.
Driving bike, then you some are playing carom board.
Yes, sir. College vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sun bhi aaya na yaar. Chashma chala suri cha. Aur sir to pura church la chuki ra. Achhi lagi. It's boss heavy.
Achhi lage.
How are you feeling today?
Achhi lage.
Good.
Achhi lage.
Mademo, yeah.
Achhi lage. So, Livingstone Foundation is hosting their annual picnic today.
Yeah.
And this is a shout out to Mr. Giri.
Whoa.
Please subscribe, share, and like his channel. Thank you.
Okay, let's get going. So now we are already in Assam. Sir, how are you feeling? Feeling good?
Good, and I'm excited.
Chalo.
Excited for the road.
We are waiting for bus. Kika? Yeah.
Best principal ever.
Best principal in the world.
Sorry, you say I'll see you like it once. I'll see you like it, you say.
Man also lage.
I'll see you like it.
Waterfall. Sir, ini lagi aja. Cuma lihat na. Cuma lihat ada. Lipo, na cuma lihat deh. Ayo chalo. Kita ada after I guess almost 2 years di sini. Okay, bus can be I just say bus gang is here. So are you excited?
Very much excited. Excited because of the new place.
Okay. Tea is done now, breakfast is done. Alchi lagyo, alchi gang ando.
Alchi lagyo.
वो सब alchi लगे से माँ गुस्सा मेरे को गुरुले नहीं तो पानी सो ले जे बोले बाद में हम लोग वाटरफॉल में जाएगा YouTube पर सही ने बना से तान सब
Welcome. It's not from YouTube.
It's from Livingstone. Oh, itu ki mongso bana se borsi. Whoa. 알지요, 내가 나가고 싶은데 끼 갈래서. Sir, kina?
Kana sulit to?
Masti. Bhai, only shape to kusi bane de mo. Department of Game Technology. Alchi lagi na kau kisle samanan andi aja kau le.
Bisa aja.
Alchi lagi na kau. Duk crazy TikTok. Alchi lagi busti la scheme ba fun aine aji busti wala anke khela ise baat. Alchi lagi kau le mon nai.
Shili.
Nakau kisle mon bota wala disi. Sir apni baat nakau apni to. चलो चलो ठीक है चौंतंग लेनो guys बात कर लो. Now we are heading to the waterfall. बात कैसी अलसी लगे से ये Ive, how do you feel? So mesmerizing or?
Yes.
It's very duk to climb.
You can hear the sound.
You can hear the sound. The sound is here. We are almost reaching. So now we have almost reached. Upper to now thao joni ke duk pa se. No. Leave it. If we so introduce. What?
We're to our destination.
Okay. Duksuk bhai, duksuk. Woo! Finally guys, the waterfall. Longvuku waterfall. Hey, I'll do like yo. Pani olop komti ase comparing to summer. Ive, how are you feeling? Refreshed. Chala. So shit, this was today's vlog and then now we're heading home. Me too, chungaler guys. I'll see you again. Next vlog de lokro and then thank you so much for 1.2k subscribers and more to come. Keep on supporting. Content balbal arani thago. Next time we are the first one to reach. Yeah, and then Utla majila vlog do mane awo enjoy krishe. Kato how was it?
Very good.
Some extraordinary situations. Alright, so see you in the next vlog guys. Tungale. Subscribe. Yeah.
And share his channel.
Yeah. Content balbal. Alright. Once again, thank you so much guys for your support.